Hello and welcome to our 5th grade ukulele class here at South Elementary. I'm Mrs. Roberts and Miss Stuckleck is behind the camera, and this is a combination of Miss Pollock and Miss Bates's class. Everybody wave. And our class will be sharing some fun facts with you as well as the very first song we learned. So we're going to start with Delilah.
The ukulele was developed in Hawaii in the 1880s by immigrants from the Madeira region of Portugal.
All right, thank you. And Cody.
Ukulele in Hawaii is ukulele. Ukuleles are made of plastic, plywood, mahogany, and koa.
Susie.
Each string on the ukulele is pitched to different notes. The open strings of our ukuleles are G, C, E, and A. To tune the ukulele, we turn the tuning pegs to tighten and loosen strings.
We have a special welcome song to help us tune the open strings.
Playing position.
1 and 2 and ready, go. So good to see you.
Hi there, my name is Philip Sylvester, and this is Miss Hydeloff's Monday class for 5th grade ukulele. Today we're going to show you our tuning and warm-up process. Hello and welcome to 5th grade music. Let's start by tuning. Here is the G string. Very nice. C string. Here's the E string, listen. All sounds in tune, and here's the A string. Anybody think they're out of tune? No? Alright, let's start with the welcome song. Can we, instead of doing the welcome song with open strings, can we start right on with the chord? C chord, find that C chord. One time, try the C chord, playing position. 1, 2, C chord, go. Very nice, welcome song. 1, 2, welcome song. Ukulele, ukulele.
Hello, welcome to our 5th grade ukulele class. I am Miss Stuckleck, and behind the camera today is Mrs. Roberts, and with us we've got the Monday, Wednesday section of Miss Dress's class. Today we will be demonstrating for you how we read rhythms and notes and we apply them to playing on our ukulele. So friends, put those ukuleles underneath your seat. We're going to clap these rhythms together. I think we have already gone over what a quarter note, whole note, and eighth notes are all worth, so I think you can just clap it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and tap your feet while you clap. Ready, go. Not too fast. Very good. Pick up your ukuleles. Let's play them on your favorite string. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Ready, go. What is the letter name? Audrey?
A.
A. What is the letter name of second and fourth measures? Madeline?
E.
E. And what about this one that lives in the basement in the middle? Kylie?
C.
C. All right. What string do we start with, Claire?
A.
How do we know which one the A string is?
It's the one closest to your toes.
The one closest to your toes. All right, ready? I think we've done this enough that I think you can do it without me. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's try it. 1, 2, and not too fast. Start with A, ready, go. Wave goodbye.
Hello, this is Hydeloft's Tuesday class, and we are going to be showing you the pentatonic scale in a few different cool variations.
This is the pentatonic scale.
Penta in the word pentatonic means 5, so the pentatonic scale has 5 notes in it.
All right, call and response. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. All right, now we're going to go all together. 1, 2, all together. All right, half and half. First note, second note. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice. And last but not least, down the line with solos. 1, 2, ready, go. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to our 5th grade ukulele class here at South Elementary. I'm Mrs. Roberts and this is Miss Pollock's class. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
We will be showing you how we practice our strumming patterns on the ukulele. So we can strum by going down, strum by going up, and can everybody show the camera your proper strumming position with your hand? Good. So to help us demonstrate, Lucy is going to play our C chord with our first strumming pattern, and we'll repeat after her. Everybody go to rest position and playing position. Go ahead, Lucy. We can do different strumming patterns, and we can do them on different chords. Our next one is A minor, and Manning will demonstrate for us. And our last one is on our G chord with Lucy demonstrating again. And we can also change our chord in the middle of the strumming pattern. So for this one, you're going to hear an F chord, a C, and then an F. One, two, ready, go. All right. Wave goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, amigos.
Are you gonna?
Hi parents, this is South Elementary ukulele class in 5th grade. I'm Mr. Peters.
And I'm Mrs. Shell.
This is Mrs. Lewis and Mrs. Bates' Monday and Wednesday class. Everybody's wave. And we're going to share with you our 12-bar blues ukulele piece in C. We're going to play 12 different chords, 4 C's, 2 F's, 2 C's, a G, F, C, and G to make up a 12-bar blues. And we've learned how to do it with whole notes, the whole note, or half note, F note, or quarter notes. So let's see if we can have everybody play the blues together now. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, let it roll. The whole note, the whole note, the whole note, the whole. Switch to F,
and the Tuesday, Thursday section of Miss Dress's class. Today, we will be playing the ukulele version of The Lion Sleeps Tonight. So here we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and.
Hello, my name is Mr. Sylvester.
Hi, I'm Mr. Peters. Welcome to our South Elementary School ukulele class. This is Mrs. Lewis' class Tuesday, Thursday. Everybody wave to your parents.
Today we are playing Vance Joy's Riptide. We're going to do the strumming pattern into the chorus and then the strumming pattern one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Running down to the Riptide, taking away through the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my